Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Knowing who I am is much more important than to know anyone in the world. It means the mind is moving within. It means the mind, we are working on the mind. It means the knowledge in the intellect dawns. That results into mindfulness. Bring your mind on the right hand, your mind on the left hand. Lift your both palms, place it on your eyes. Open the eyes inside. Know your experiences. Bring the hands down. We'll share our experiences once you return.
Yes, it was a good experience. I feel calm
You
with the
yeah, go ahead.
and try just to stay kind of meditate in a
Yeah,
meditative
yes, meditative state.
state of mind and not to change anything.
Yeah, yeah. So when you do not change, when you do not change, the mind does not live in ignorance. The mind is aware that changing anything is changing everything outside. How can you change who am I? Separation. So
Right.
people take this meditation and mindfulness in a different way. Do breathing, do this mantra. That mantra is very powerful. You are so weak and you are doing using a powerful mantra. What will happen? Nothing. No combination.
Hmm.
And if the mantra is the most powerful, then the Google is the most powerful. Every mantra is written there. The mantra becomes powerful because of that consciousness being expressed through the mind, being used by the mind.
Okay.
So that I am, awareness of that I am, the knower and the seer, which is not at all affected by any experience, any knowledge coming to the mind of the world outside. So it is not that it is not there who do not practice meditation or mindfulness, it is always there. But the mind comes in front with a wrong claim, with a misunderstanding. And that is what the ignorance is, that is what the delusion is. You see the water in the mirror as it, you see it. So the ignorant mind says, I see the water. How can I deny it? I see the blueness of the sky. How can I deny it? Even the science says the sky is not blue. I see the waves. But the meditator sees the water be inside the waves. They are nothing but the water. My perception has changed. The moment my perception has changed, I'm in peace and happiness.